Welcome to Home Lifestyle and Decor. Today I will show you how you can transform your old terracotta pot into a colorful accent for your home with a little bit of paint and creativity. So sharing some decorating tips and ideas to add color to your home. So get weekly tips absolutely free on some easy ways to make your space fresh and stylish. Do subscribe to my channel, that is if you haven't already done so. Here I have already applied one coat of oil paint on the pot after thoroughly cleaning and drying it. Put the stones just after the second coat of the paint while it is still wet. It makes it easier to fix and the bonding is generally stronger than fixing with glue. You can attach any embellishments of your choice. Paint is a bit dry now, so I have to use Superfix glue to fix this mirror. A bit of glitters over the wet paint. Now 3D outliner for highlighting the design at the base of the pot. Give your home decor a lift with these easy decorating projects that are fun and transform old items lying unused around your home into pretty home decor objects. If you have such ideas, you can share them with us through the comment section given below. If you want some ideas to transform your items, you can ask them as well. Do stay connected. Thank you.